Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showcasing a Python script that I created for uhomes.com website. This is a student accommodation website. So in this showcase video I'll show you how does my script works basically. So it will scrape all of the basic details from the main page, and then it will click on the detail page and go to the floor plan, click on there, and then automatically it will scrap. And first we'll scroll from here and then scrap all of the options for different kind of options. So you can see the light, the accessible option, so it will scrap all of that from this table. So now let me show to you this in action. So this is a script using Selenium. I made this script. So if I run this, you can see it will pop up a Selenium window. So if I minimize this a little, you can see now it won't do anything, and it will start scraping all the pages for us. So it is now going to each of the detail page to grab the floor plan, and now it will, you can see, will automatically scroll to the floor plan to get the floor plan. So now I'll fast forward this a little bit to show you guys the end results. So as you can see guys, that I have successfully scrapped the options for each of the floor plan. So you can see I've got each option successfully and also scrape the other details as well. So if you want to scrap any website, please connect with me here on LinkedIn or contact on my email. Thank you for watching.